Our objective for the week is that students will master the preterite tense of AR verbs and the verb ir. The preterite tense is used to talk about what happened or what someone did at a specific point in the past. It is a completed action. Conjugating AR verbs in the preterite is very simple. Let's take comprar for example. To conjugate a verb, simply take off the AR ending and add the appropriate ending to correspond with the subject. Yo compré, I bought. Tú compraste, you bought. Él, ella, usted compró, he, she, or you bought. Nosotros compramos, we bought. Ellos, ellas, ustedes compraron. They or you all bought. You may have noticed that the preterite tense of the nosotros form is the same as the present indicative. You will have to use context clues to understand if the speaker is talking about the present or the past. Compramos unos zapatos ayer. This says, we bought some shoes yesterday. If you didn't have ayer, it would say, we bought some shoes. But the context is that we bought them yesterday. Casi nunca compramos zapatos. We almost never buy shoes. The stem changing AR verbs do not have stem changes in the preterite. For example, encontrar, which has a stem change in the present tense and becomes encuentro, will not have a stem change in the preterite. Encontré una falda bonita y la compré. I found a pretty skirt and I bought it. The preterite of ir. To say where someone went at a specific time in the past, use ir in the preterite tense. Ir in the preterite is irregular. Yo fui, I went. Tú fuiste, you went. Él, ella, usted fue. He, she, or you all went. Nosotros fuimos, we went. Ellos, ellas, ustedes fueron. They or you all went. ¿A dónde fuiste ayer? Fui al cine. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the movies. Use a plus an infinitive after ir to say why someone went somewhere. Fuimos a la joyería a comprar un anillo. We went to the jewelry store to buy a ring. In Spanish-speaking countries, people often shop at open-air markets. Unlike department stores or malls, customers are expected to regatear, or bargain with vendors. Bargaining is an art form in these markets, and successful shoppers may bring the price of an item down considerably. Are there any open-air markets where you live? Do you bargain with the vendors? Any questions you may have can be written out to the left-hand side of your notes. That way they're easily accessible in class when you want to ask the question.